logos, and repetition patterns. In order to start working on a design, click on a shoe piece and add a new image layer. You can choose any artwork or background from our library, but we will upload our own file, so click on Upload Image. In this example, we will be using a PNG file with a black logo and transparent background. We just added a single image sticker. You can move it around, resize and rotate using the canvas controls. We can use this image to create a repetition pattern, creating an infinite background that will cover the entire shoe piece. Open the advanced controls of the layer and switch the image type to repetition pattern. Now we can adjust the scale to make the pattern smaller, and even tweak the rotation and angle to create a pattern we like. Once you are happy with the results, you can copy the layer to the inner side. As we mentioned before, you can also use the logo as a single sticker. We will add it to the toe cap piece using the same procedure. Remember that you can click on Preview to see how both shoes, left and right, will look. Learn more about the customization tool at our website.